Hello, kindergartners. All right, today we are on lesson 7.6. We're problem solving. This word right here reads chairs. Here's our problem. There are 14 children sitting on chairs. There is one chair with no child on it. How many chairs are there? Draw to show how you solve the problem. Okay, so in all of these pages, we're going to make a model. You can build a model with your cubes and your bears. I'm just going to draw one in case you are somewhere and you don't have all of your supplies. So it reads, there are 14 children sitting on chairs. So let's make our children, 14 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's our 14 children, and they're all sitting on chairs. So I'm just going to make what looks like a little L so that we can see that each child is sitting in a chair. Each child is sitting in a chair. There are 14 children sitting on chairs. There is one chair with no child in it. How many chairs are there? Okay, well, we just drew it. So how many chairs are there? If that was 14, what's one greater than 14? Yeah, 15. You can also look at it this way. Here's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's our group of 10. Here's 10 chairs. So we have one group of 10. How many extra chairs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extra chairs. So there are 15 chairs altogether, but only 14 children. Let's move to our next page. More bees. Ooh, bees, okay. There are 15 flowers. 10 flowers have one bee on them. How many more bees would you need to have one bee on each flower? Draw to solve the problem. Write how many more bees. So let's start from the beginning. There are 15 flowers. So you can pause this and make 15 beautiful flowers if you like. That is totally fine. I'm just going to make circles for my flowers. I'm going to make 15 circles for my flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 flowers. 10 flowers have one bee on them. So to show my one bee, I'm just going to take a crayon. So I have my little baggie of crayons here. I'm going to use, so I would use a yellow, but I want you to be able to see it really well. So I think I'm going to use a black. 10 flowers have one bee on them. So I'm going to count 10 bees on 10 flowers. So I'm going to say 1 bee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 10 flowers. Each of those 10 flowers have 10 bees on them. How many more bees would you need to have one bee on each flower? Okay, so let's look at our problem. These flowers do not have bees on them. So how many more bees do we need to fly in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 more bees. So there's our answer. Across, down, and around. That's 5 that I found. All right, here we go. Page 283. This reads, boys. There are 15 children in Miss Sully's class. There are 5 children in each row. So rows go this way. This is a row. Columns go down, rows go across. You think like an arrow shooting straight across. So rows go across. There are 3 boys and 2 girls in each row. How many boys are in the class? Draw to solve the problem. Okay, so we know that there are 15 children in Miss Sully's class, and there are 5 children in each row. So just like we did our B's, 5 children in each row. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. So we need to make 15 children in rows of 5. So there's one row with 5. Let's make another row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's make another row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we don't have enough. We need more. So let's make another row of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's see if that's 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So we have 15 children. But now in each row, it tells us there are 3 boys and 2 girls. So you can decide what color you want the boys and what color you want the girls. For me, I think because my daughter Abby, her favorite color is orange. So I think I'll do the girls orange. And then my brother, he likes purple. So purple I'm going to do for boys, and orange I'm going to do for girls. You can do whatever colors you like. Just know which is your boy and which is your girl. So we have 3 boys in each row. So I'm going to use my purple first. So each row of 5, there are 3 boys. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 boys here. And in the next row, 3 boys. And we know 3, we don't even have to count now. We just know just by looking at it, don't we? We've done that enough. So there's my row, 3 boys, and then there's 2 girls in each row. So now orange, because that's Abby's favorite color. So I'm going to color these orange, and these are my girls. Okay, so we did that part. We have boys in purple, girls in orange. How many boys are in the class? Oh, now all we have to do is what? Yeah, count the boys, count the purple ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First a loop and then a line. That makes the number 9. All right, my friends, it's a practice test, okay? I want you to count all of these. We have a group of 10 and 2 extra ones, and write the number. Here we're going to make 14, but first I want you to make a group of 10. So make a little 10 frame here and make your 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that we start with 10 plus how many extra ones to make 14. Okay? These we just count and write the number, count and write the number. It might be easier to circle your group of 10 first on each of these. Here, count and write the number. Okay? This one we're going to skip. If you want to do it with your grown-ups, you can, but it's okay if you don't do this one. Here's our next one. We'll do one more. There are 15 children. 10 are each wearing 1 cap. How many more caps would you need? Okay, I'm going to do this one with you. There are 15 children, so let's make our 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 are each wearing a cap. So let's see. I think I'm going to use green for my caps. It says 10 are wearing caps, so let's color 10 of them green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it reads, how many more caps would you need to have one cap on each child? So how many more caps do you need? Count how many more we need and write the number. Here we're taking away penguins. They took away 5 penguins so that they had 3 penguins left. How many do they start with? Down here we have 6 black ones plus how many white ones? Equals 10 altogether. So how many white ones? And there you go. That is 7.6. Have fun with math.